Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and to answer a question about Windows 11 and how you can improve for people that have some vision problems. One of the options in the accessibility features is changing the contrast mode of Windows 11 in order for you to have maybe the possibility of having better viewing. If you go to your settings, you can right click the start menu and then go to settings. You can go into personalization and then go into the background information here. You will see that at the bottom of there is a related setting. It's called contrast themes. So if you click here, you will see that you can have different theme and you can actually have a preview of what they look like. So they are high contrast and they are, of course, there to help. So if you have some vision problems, then you might be actually getting a better use of your computer by using one of those themes that is available. So the themes are aquatic, desert, dusk, and night sky. And this is what they look like at the top. So if one of them seems to make it easier for you to actually see the screen, you can select one simply from the drop-down menu. And once you choose one, you just apply, or you can edit. And editing will let you actually choose what colors are going to be used for the different options, for hyperlinks, for text, and so on. So you can actually customize this to what might be more interesting for you. It's not just, contrast themes that are fixed. You can actually apply them depending on your personal disability. You might actually like to change some of the colors so that it even is better for you to use on your computer. So in accessibility, contrast themes, so I went through personalization, but you can find it also if you go to settings. The other way to find it is to go to accessibility, and here you will have in the list of options contrast themes that you can go to and enable them. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.